What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Today is the day. I'm just leaving Mario's house, Masterminds. I was actually at Masterminds all morning kicking it with the homies there. So it's about 7 p.m. right now and we're going to 412 Motorsports because today is the day I've been waiting for, the day you guys have been waiting for. We're gonna be picking up the new project car and I'm so freaking excited. You guys know how much I've been talking about this. You guys know I talk about it in every single video. I'm always telling you guys I want to pick up a new car. I'm always telling you guys I want to start drifting, start a drift build, and just build a drift car. That's what I really want to do. Originally, I bought this E36 for that reason, the drift. But then I kind of made this car way too nice and clean, and I don't want to mess it up at all. The sun is so freaking bright. But if you guys have seen my past recent videos, you guys have seen the E46 M3 Shao that's at 412 Motorsports. That is actually the build that we're gonna be starting. It's an E46 M3 Shao. No engine, no transmission, no hood, no front bumper, no trunk. It honestly needs a lot of work, a ton of work. It's very scary going into this project because it's gonna be a lot of money, but I know it's gonna pay off. I know it's gonna be really fun when it's done. I'm gonna have a full-on drift car when it's done. Woo! As you guys know, I have an E92 M3, I have an E36 M3, and we're about to have an E46 M3 in my possession. I'll have the pink slip. I'll have 3 freaking M3s, which will be freaking crazy. That's gonna make it 3 M3s in the collection, guys. I'm so freaking excited. We have all of them in a row, an E36, E46, E92. But this build's gonna be super fun, guys. We're building this with 412 Motorsports. Pretty much like a little collab with 412 Motorsports and FindingNick E46 M3. It's gonna be sick. I'll tell you guys what I have planned for the car, what I wanna do with the car, and what we have planned for the engine and all that good stuff. So let's hurry up and get there and buy this car. Oh my God, bro. That is scary. It's like 4 cars involved, dude. That's why you gotta drive safe, guys. Don't be on your phone. And I honestly just stopped vlogging and driving because it's not safe either. So let's put this camera down. We made it. We made it, bro. You're cleaning? Damn, what's up, bro? You're cleaning?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Alright guys, we're here at 412. We made it, and the car is right in front of me. A lot of you guys have actually seen this car before in my vlog. A lot of you guys that haven't seen that video, this will be the first time you guys see it, but here it is. E46 M3 Shao. Complete Shao. Has no engine, no transmission, no hood, no front bumper. It's missing a lot of stuff. It's missing a trunk. It's missing a lot of things, as you guys can tell. All the important things too. Pretty much the heart of the car is missing. I know it looks like a full-on legit junkyard build, but I'm telling you guys, what we have planned for this car is gonna be freaking insane when it's done. Me, Sam, and Joseph are going over what we're gonna do with the car. It's gonna be a complete monster. The engine that we're putting in here is gonna be pushing 500 minimum, 800 max. So if we wanna push 800, we could do it with the engine that we're doing. Which I do not need 800 horsepower. I will kill myself, but if we can meet in the middle at 600, I'm happy with that. I'm hoping to work with a bunch of companies with this car, make this car super unique, super crazy, and just one freaking monster. This is the perfect freaking car to start. The perfect, like, project. It's literally the perfect project. I'm gonna get to film and show you guys everything from top to bottom with this car. Getting the engine built, getting it installed into the car, a transmission, literally a whole engine swap. I plan on wrapping the entire car, putting wheels, putting sick ass headlights. I also want to gut the entire car, put a full Formula Drift spec cage. So it's literally gonna be a full-on drift car. I'm telling you guys. You guys probably can't see the vision, but I have this vision for this car. It's gonna be so sick. I can literally imagine the whole entire thing in my head. There's this guy on Instagram that has this crazy E46 drift car. I've literally had this car as my wallpaper because it's exactly what I want to do. 412 is packed today too. These Beamers, we got E92s, E46s, E30s. Over here on this side, we got Sam's other E30, the full-on drift car. That's goals right there. We got the NSX from the last videos. We got Joseph's E46, and we got Joseph's F80. This is similar to what we're thinking of building for my E46. It's gonna be so sick. Same setup. I think this one makes around 600 horsepower. All right, we pushed it in the shop so you guys can see it a little better under some light, but here it is, dude. I'm out of breath because I just pushed it It's so freaking heavy. I was really considering buying just a 3 Series to drift and mess up, but luckily they have an E46 M3 just chilling here. Literally it's like it's meant to be. And it's funny because this same color is on my E92 underneath the wrap. It's like a bluish, blackish paint. So real quick, some of the plans for it, I think we're putting the S52 engine in here. Big single turbo, about to be pushing 500 minimum, capable of doing 800 horsepower, Sam said. So that's gonna be freaking insane. I can't even imagine that. 800 horsepower, guys, keep in mind, when I dynoed my E92, which is the fastest car I own, I think the E92 made 370 on the dyno. So just imagine 800 horsepower. We're gonna have a very similar setup as Joseph's E46. This is Joseph, the homie right there. This is his drift car, what he drifts. It's a S52 single turbo. I think it makes 6 something. Big old turbo in here. I think we're gonna put the exhaust straight out the freaking hood just so I can show all the flames off. What happened? Are we gonna race when it's done?
Man, you're beating me. I'm scared. I don't want to race you. I'll pull my motor out.
Oh my God. Put a V10 in there.
I mean, that was my goal a long time ago.
Imagine.
But doesn't have torque.
Guys, imagine a V10 out of like the M5s. Drifting that.
I bought an M6 from the junkyard and pulled the motor out. And then I ended up selling the motor.
Damn.
This car has been parked for 5 years.
5 years?
It still cranks up.
Look at this thing,
I drove
guys.
this car 7 years ago.
That's so crazy. This is a similar setup that we're gonna do. Similar?
Yeah, nicer. This is really old. I did this.
This shit's fire. I don't know what you're talking about.
This was like a budget build for me from back in the day.
And now you got that thing.
Well, that took all my money.
This thing's so sick, dude.
In my heart. I love that car.
I love this car too. You guys have seen this car plenty of times.
I'm gonna clean your engine bay. It's gonna be completely different. But it's gonna look crazy.
I can't wait, dude.
And we're gonna do some wild fab work on it.
Woo!
This fab?
We're gonna have this?
This has been done a long time ago. Oh yeah, way nicer than that. I'll get you something crazy.
Dude, they want me to shoot flames out the hood, which will be freaking insane.
You and Sam are the only two that have anti-light.
And anti-lag, whatever that is. You guys are gonna teach me everything, bro. You guys have seen this car plenty of times out there when he shreds it. I'll put a video in right here.
How nice is it? It still turns right on.
It's freaking perfect, bro. It's gonna be sick.
Full stock motor.
That's crazy.
Pushing 600 wheel horsepower. That's lasted for 30
And I know how you drive, bro.
This car's been beat on for a long time. We have so much work, you know, so we don't know. These projects takes a little time. And
I told them, bro, if anyone's a mechanic and needs a job, these fools have work.
Oh yeah, if you guys are good techs, man, don't ask too many questions. You're more than welcome to stop through.
Oh my God. And you might be working on my car. You never know. If any of you guys are a mechanic, work on cars, work on engines, anything like that, DM 412 Motorsports, tell them that you work on cars, you guys could possibly get a job. And you'll be working on like the sickest cars ever. So if you're looking for a job, DM them right now. Oh my God. King Joseph, dude. I've never seen anyone whip an E92 as crazy as Joseph, dude.
My favorite car.
This is your old one, right? Buy it back.
He tells me he doesn't like it. I was fucking...
Bro, I love this car. It's so clean inside too.
Yeah, I was the entry right there.
I don't know how you do that. I literally don't get it.
That shit was crazy.
I don't get how Joseph drives it like that. Guys, look at this bike. That shit's crazy. Even without the front end or anything, this shit looks mean, dude. Let me show you guys the interior if you guys haven't seen it already. The whole dash is in here, the steering wheel, the seats are still in here, the rear seats, the front seats, everything's still here. But as you guys know, I want to gut the entire thing, something like Joseph's and Sam's. Gut the entire thing, put a full roll cage in here, keep the dash, make it look really clean. And we're gonna be at the shop a lot more often. This car is getting built completely by 412. They're doing everything for me. I'm gonna be hands-on with it too, learning a lot about this car. So please go follow 412 on Instagram at 412 Motorsport. It's right here. Guys, I think we're throwing a car meet here at 412. I think it's gonna be the 21st of this month, July 21st. We're throwing a huge car meet. All BMWs welcome. It's gonna be huge. We wanna fill this whole parking lot up with BMWs. So July 21st, mark your calendars. I think it's gonna be the 21st. I'll keep you guys updated, but it's gonna be sick. You guys get to see this whole shop in person. Get to see the whips in person. I'm gonna try to bring my E92 and my E36 if I can find someone to drive it. And you guys will get to see the E46 for the first time in person. Joseph's cars in person. Sam's E30 in person. You guys get to see all the whips that you guys see in the vlogs. And that's it, guys. A lot of time has passed. It's about like, I don't even know, it's super late now. Almost 3 in the freaking morning and I'm still here. We've been just kicking it at the shop, hanging out with Sam and Joseph. But here it is, guys, the new whip. I posted this on my story to tease some people a little bit, but everybody already guessed it. 340 and we're home. It may not look like it right now because I'm super tired, but I'm so freaking hyped on that new car. It's so crazy, guys. Now I officially own not 1, not 2, but 3 M3s. Everybody comment down below what you guys think about the new car. Comment down below what you guys think I should do to it. What color wrap should I do to it? Should I put a livery on it? I'm so freaking excited for it and I'm so thankful for all of you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am for the new car. I'm so tired. I need to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.